Have you ever wished there was a simple, non-cringy way to make someone fall in love with you without acting like a Bollywood hero hanging from a moving train? Yeah, same. And the good news? You actually can make someone like you more, not with tricks, but with tiny human behaviors that work like magic. Let's talk about them. First, here's the truth nobody tells you. People don't fall in love because you're perfect. They fall in love because you make them feel something special. Not dramatic, not cheesy, just seen, comfortable, and a little bit excited to talk to you again. So here's the first thing: warm energy beats good looks every single time. Seriously. You don't need six-pack abs or a jawline sharp enough to cut cake. You just need a vibe that says, you're safe with me and I actually enjoy talking to you. A small smile, a relaxed voice, an eye contact that lasts just long enough to show interest, not long enough to look like you're trying to read their soul. Now the second thing, listen like you actually care. I know, everyone says, be a good listener, but here's what that really means. When they talk, don't just wait for your turn to speak. React, laugh, add little no way or seriously moments. That tiny energy makes people feel understood, and trust me, nothing is more attractive than someone who understands you without judging. Next, find micro-connections. Not cheesy lines like, we have the same favorite color, destiny. Relax. Just simple things, same favorite food, same trauma from math class, same habit of checking the fridge even when you're not hungry. These tiny similarities create a feeling of we get each other, and that's where love slowly plants its roots. Here's another one. Give them moments they can remember. This doesn't mean buying a gift or going full romantic movie mode. Sometimes the most memorable moment is just being unexpectedly sweet, like sending a random, "Hey, I hope today treats you well" message. Or remembering the little thing they said 3 days ago, the test, the meeting, the pet's name. People don't fall for big gestures, they fall for quiet consistency. Also, and this is a big one, don't chase too hard. Chasing creates pressure, but giving space creates curiosity. You don't have to disappear like you're doing a magic trick, but you also don't have to text every hour like a customer care bot. Give them space to miss you. Even Wi-Fi needs breaks, otherwise it overheats. Humans are no different. And finally, become the type of person you'd fall in love with. Someone who's confident without showing off, kind without being a pushover, funny without trying too hard. Basically, the upgraded version of you, not a fake version. Here's the fun twist. When you work on your vibe, your presence, and your personality, people start falling for you naturally. Love stops being a chase and becomes a gravity. So yeah, you can make someone fall in love with you, not by forcing it, but by being so genuine and emotionally attractive that they feel lucky to know you. If you want a part 2 with deeper psychology tricks, tell me in the comments. And if this helped, you already know what to do.